Hi guys. Wow, I just interviewed a beautiful Iyanifa. In fact, this interview that I had with this our Ifa Priestess. In fact, you're not gonna miss this video. You can't afford to miss this interview. So for the first time, I met with a beautiful Iyanifa. Wow, Ifa is beautiful. Ifa religion is beautiful. So watch out for this interview. So I'm just coming from her. We've had a successful interview. So I'm coming from Ilora. This is Ilora in Oyo State. So I'm going to Oyo Town right now from here, and from Oyo Town back to my base. So as you can see, there's a road to Ilora. So in a couple of minutes, I will get to Oyo Alaafin, Oyo Town. So I'm just leaving Ilora Town in Oyo State, Oyo. So I'm leaving for Oyo Town. Yeah, so from Oyo Town, I'm going back home. Isese Lagba. This is Ilora. So I just had a lovely interview with Iyalawo. So when you watch the interview, you're gonna know what Iyalawo means, or Ifa Priestess, or you can call it Iyanifa. So don't forget to subscribe to Get Better Life TV. So we are rebranding, we are promoting our Isese. So I think I'm getting close to Oyo Town now. I think I'm in Oyo Town now. Yeah. Isese Lagba. So guys, I'm in Oyo Town. Oyo Alaafin. So another Get a Better Life Journey. Another Isese Lagba Journey. Oyo Alaafin. This is Oyo Alaafin. So if you have been hearing about this town, so this is a town. This is Oyo Alaafin. Under Oyo State, but this is Oyo Town. Wọ́n máa dàgbẹ́ fẹ́ wọnú gbó lọ. Ẹ lọ ẹgbẹ́sẹ̀ kan síbi tó dáa yẹn. Ìyá o. But experienced driver ni na o gbẹ̀lẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ sí.
Ṣé rí ojoojúmọ́ níbẹ̀ yẹn ń jìn sí. Lójó bá ti lè rọ̀, pọ̀tọ̀pọ̀tọ̀ ló wà náà.
Kí ló wà ńbẹ̀? Oya. Okay, odò wà ńbẹ̀. Odò ńlá.